Welcome back. Now, for this part of our live example, we're going to take the second part of our document. We're going to work with Copilot, but what we're going to do is we're going to rewrite the entire document. And part of the document, we're going to turn into a table. We're going to take these elements that are bullet points. We're going to highlight them. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on Copilot. And you're going to notice here that there's one element that says visualize as a table. So in this part, we're going to visualize this part as a table. And so we're going to give Microsoft Copilot the opportunity to turn this information that we have here into a more visual element. And we're going to keep this element. And we're going to delete the other information. We're then going to go to the other elements that are in bullet points. We're going to highlight them. We're going to click on Microsoft Copilot, and we're going to visualize this as a table. And then we are going to delete the other information. What we are then going to do is we are going to rewrite all of the other information. So we're going to take this information, and we're going to ask Copilot to rewrite this information. And we're going to replace the information that we have. And for the rest of the document, we're going to leave it. But the primary importance in this video was organizing information into tables and having it in our document and using Microsoft Copilot in order to do it. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.